And what we're going to do today is we're going to finish up plumbing these totes up. Go ahead and get that out of the way. I ain't got to mess with them no more. I'm just going to plumb them, get ready for water. I ain't going to run nothing anywhere. I'm just going to get it to where it all fill equally and all that. But I got to finish doing the T's on these, and then I got to hook it up from the downspout. Change that around, but I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. I'm going to find my stuff right now. Styrofoam insulation, I'm going ahead and doing that. I gotta go back and put a piece in here. That I got some duct tape to fix that with, but I'm going ahead and put that on there just in case it gets down below freezing anytime soon. So this PEX ain't really bad to bust though. Honestly, I don't think I've ever had a piece of PEX bust. Even on them barrels down there, they're outside. And they're not, for the last couple of years, they've been outside exposed. And they ain't busted. I mean, it's got pretty cold, but almost ain't no good. That's just so I can, I'm gonna have to put an overflow, but I ain't worried about that. I just want to keep the bugs out of it for now. I just got to where I can stick this on there. I'm not gonna tighten it up yet because still the glue ain't dried yet. Don't want to glue that in there. But it'll eventually go out to the next tote once that's here. So all we gotta do now, it's hooked up, we can catch water now, so that's the main thing. All I gotta do is fix this so I can shut it off. I may just cut it right there and put that on and off valve right here for now. Now is I'm gonna put a fitting on it. You gotta have the female water hose fitting for them pumps, because the way you hook the hose onto it on that pump is exactly backwards of how you would hook it on a regular faucet. So instead of this end screwing on, this end's got to be on this side. I'll just have to explain it when I hook the thing up. But in order to do that, I have to adapt it. Clamps. On these clamps. I have to adapt it from 1 inch to 3/4 inch because they don't make a whole lot of stuff in 1 inch. So I had to put it from 1 inch, which is just, that's why everything's so daggone expensive. They can't, well, I mean, they make it, it's just, I guess it's just hard to get stuff. And when you try to explain to people at Lowe's and Home Depot what it is you're looking for, they'll look at you like you're ignorant. Like it's no such thing, it won't work. Okay. I'll just cut it a little long that way I can see. Okay. 3/4 inch. So what I want to do, so I had to buy a whole pack of 3/4 inch clamps just for this one piece with 2 clamps out of it. I need 2 of these clamps. Put them on here. Goes here. Okay. Okay. Now I'll have to cut it down. But this is the piece that needs to go here. I want it to come out just a little ways, not much. So I'll cut it off about right there. See what it does. I can hook my hose to it right here and just run that hose down to the house. Yeah, when we need this water, of course. And that just goes in there just like that. Okay, there it is. Then right there, I got to hold my hose up here and screw it on right here. Whenever we hook, I'm gonna put more barrels on this side too, because I want to get 4 or 6 more, whatever it takes to fill this side up. Because I mean, you can't never have too much, and it's over here out of the way. You won't see it unless you come over and looking for it. And I'll change that around a little bit then. But for right now, that's how we're going to hook it up. Let me find my stuff and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, this water tote project is done for now. We got them up. As you can see, they're all plumbed together at the bottom. That's 1-inch pecks. And I used the rubber boots on these. That's what I'm gonna start doing all of them, because they don't leak like that. And up here, they're all plumbed together. 2-inch, I guess PVC. Schedule 40 pipe. I think it's 40. Pretty sure it is. But anyway, the screws into there, into the caps. But these two caps right here didn't have holes in them, so I had to drill holes in it. So I'm gonna silicone around these, this one and that one, to seal them up good. I mean, nothing can get in there now, but I just want to keep gnats and stuff like that out of it. And I had to put something right here, because this right here is that rubber tee. It kind of let it bow a little bit right there, so I put them under there to hold it up, kind of more level. And it's all good and solid, I mean, for right now. So when it rains, we're ready to catch 1,100 gallons of water. And down here, I put a 1-inch cut off right here. It's off right now. And I turned it in just in case, like, the deer come through here or whatever, or any kind of animal, dog, anything. It can't just knock it open and turn it on. It's in there, kind of facing that way. And I run the pipe over and over to there. I gotta get some more insulation put on that backside. But as you can see, I put a garden hose female on this end. And this right here is what screws directly onto the pump that we have. And that way I can use it when we water the chickens. I just kind of hook a hose. I'm gonna extend this right here over, and I'm gonna tee it inside there and down, like for kind of like a spigot to turn on to fill their water up with. And then I'm gonna put it on the other end down there. This piece here I want sticking out that side. Troy just hook a hose to it down there where that hose where it rolled up, where she rolled the hose up. That right there, we can hook it up. You know, just hook the pump to it right there and pump it straight in our barrels down if we need to. Because I eventually plan on putting ever how many totes will fit through here. I'm gonna fill this side up with totes too. So I mean, that's probably at least 6 or 7 totes will fit right here. So ever how many will fit here, I'm gonna build a platform and put them on here too. And then finish, I can get one more here. And then I'm gonna finish plumbing them all together, and then the gutter and up there all together. But I mean, that'll be, you know, a month or 2 down the road. As long as we got this hooked up right now, that was the main thing, so we can catch water here. I really didn't think we needed this back here until we seen how low we got on those. And after we seen how low we got on those, we need all we can get. So, but I mean, really, that's the first time we run low and it ain't rained in a couple months. I mean, sprinkled here and there, but it ain't come a good rain. It rained hard for about 30-45 minutes one time, and that one tote that was back here got over half full. So that's what we pumped down there yesterday. So, but anyway, that's that. That's it for the water totes. So, I mean, when we start building on, we'll show that too. But for right now, we're good on water. Hey, if you guys haven't done so yet, subscribe and like, whatever you need to do. We're getting there on our subscribers. We just need a few more. So if you're watching and you ain't subscribed yet, please do so. Thanks, guys.